Are you currently seeing incorrect time zone on Slack? Let me show you how you can change that to match whatever you want. Now, by default, you want to first ensure that you have the correct time and time zone set on your computer. And to do that or to check that, you want to right click on the Windows icon. If you're using Windows 11, you can just go directly into the system settings right here. So you can go to settings, and that's going to go ahead and open up the settings. Let me go ahead and make this window a bit larger. And from here, you can simply click on time and language on the left side, and here you'll find your time zone. Where you can go ahead and click on date and time, and you can click on language and region, and you can go ahead and just change it whatever you want right here, right? So you have those options to you, right? And if you want to go ahead and change, for example, the time zone, you have it right here that you can click and you can make the changes to it. So right now it's set to automatic, but if I want to set that manually, I turn it off, then I can click this drop down to select it as I want, right? Now, let's say your computer time zone is fine. Now you want to change this within Slack to ensure that it is currently working as well. You click your profile on the lower left hand side, then go to preferences. On the left side, click on language and region. And here you have your time zone. Now, this is allowing you to select this manually. Automatically, once you install Slack, it's going to pull it automatically. But here you can see that you can also check the box to say set time zone automatically. So you can have this checkbox set. And so if you change your time zone on your PC or it obtain it automatically based on your location, then it will also change within the app as well. But if you don't want that, you can uncheck it and set this manually as you wish. So if you're currently having issues with time zone, these are the steps that you need to take to ensure your PC time zone is set and also within Slack as well. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.